Did you throw it at her?
Give it to me and quit messing around.
That's a good action shot.
Okay, hey. I will video you. You do the rest, and I will video you, except I got elephant snot on my hand.
Okay. Can you hold that too?
Hey, do you got a wet pipe?
I'll give them to you in a minute.
What, I just push go and it's on video?
It's already recording.
Oh. You just tell that mama to get out of the way and then you can feed the baby.
She's nice that way. Oh.
She found a jackpot. Game over.
Oh my god. So cool, huh? Little baby.
All right, done.